Hey guys, I'm showing you this Zinus Cherie Faux leather classic platform bed frame with the steel support slates. It's a queen size. As you can see, this come in this box, and I just opened this box to show you the content. So this is the all stainless steel or the metal frame. This is the headboard with the Fox leather, and these are the other two main pieces. With this comes with this toolbox and the side legs. So these are the instructions that shows, and these instructions are pretty clear, and the content of the package as well. All the tools are included, so you don't need any other tool. So all the number things are marked as numbers, and the other attachments are also marked. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and just keep on adjusting or the adding it or with the screws. Just tighten this thing up. And this is the final product, that is the metal frame bed frame. Is all steel support, so hold multiple weight or more weight than our wooden slates. Nice build. Looks really nice with this headboard. And this is the queen size. So yeah, just add in the mattress and it's all good to go. So this is the IKEA mattress that I used on it, this auction one. This pretty fit well on this bed frame. This is a queen mattress, the spring mattress, and you can see that the covers in the corners fits well. Nice looking one.